Welcome to Rudra Automation. Today we will see the farmer entry task in the PGS. So in the first video we will see that how you will receive the credential for the login on the Rudra tool, and then how you can log in and how to configure that account. So next to that step, we are going to log in first on the tool. Once you log in here, first thing what you need to do with the farmer entry is first log into the account in which you want to make the data entry, because this is in that account you will only receive a leader name. That leader will be the person who given during the creation of the group. So that farmer may not having farm details, so that farmer button will not be visible here, add farmer button. So our first task is we need to complete this leader detail first. For that you can click on this edit button and make this data entry for this one farmer manually. So you need to fill all the detail and then farm detail how you are filling. So this is the first step. You should complete your first farmer detail. Once you complete the first farmer detail, then you will find this plus button for this add farmer detail. So once you completed that, you need to come to our Rudra tool. Here in the LG farmer you will find farmer entry and peer appraisal. So task will be same for the peer appraisal and farmer entry. You need to upload the file from here, approve, and you can see the in progress for the progress, and once it is completed it will move to the completed section. So that all these three steps will go one by one. First we'll observe that how it was for the upload. Now once you click the upload, you will find one template download here. So that template we need to download. Then we need to select the group name, id will come automatically. Choose that file, and whatever template we download and fill, that we need to choose first. For example, I'm choosing it. So here I put that template. You simply need to choose it, select the respective site, it may be NF or India, and upload it. This is we need to do the in the upload part. But while you fill the data, we have so many validation that will be very helpful for you. So those validation I'll tell you how it was. So for demo purpose we created one group detail where you can see the farmer list. So this is the list what you have from the data which is collected from the farm. So this is a replicant copy of the PGS website, what the PGS website needed, and from this data you need to fill the template. So this is the template what you can download from the Rudra tool. So now when you download it, you need to first understand these validations. So the validations are, okay, here this is the template. Now the yellow marked thing are compulsory and non-yellow things are optional. So it is compulsory to give the farmer detail, farm detail, pin code, state, district, taluka, and everything. But it's okay if you not provide this white thing, but you should not delete those column. Simply you can delete this data, so that you need to take care. You cannot delete that full column. Okay. Second thing is, while you are copy and paste, you need to understand about few of the validation. I'll let you know one by one. First thing is about the serial number, so that is compulsory and that should be all number. Then farmer name is compulsory, you can give anything into farmer and farm. Here other number is non-compulsory, but if you are giving that other, it should be 12 digit number. Mobile number is non-compulsory, but if you are giving, then mobile number should be 10 digit number. Likewise pin code is compulsory, this should be a 6 digit number only. Now about the state, district, sub district, block, and villages. So we understand that it must be as per the PGS. How you can give as per the PGS is simply you come to our Rudra automation tool and go to admin. Here you will find the location finder. So that location finder will help you to get the exact state, district, taluka, and village. However, you can change only the village name in the template and the PGS while you are making data entry. But I'm giving just example. Suppose if you select Gujarat, then you should select any of the districts. For example, I'm selecting Surendranagar, so you need to select the Surendranagar. Then you need to select any of the block and this. Now you can see all the villages. Suppose if you select any of the village, it will show you this path here, the districts, state, district, sub district, block and village. So likewise you can select any of the village and you can copy the path, or you can double click to copy from here, and you can exactly provide these details into the input. However, suppose if you even not give a proper detail, it will guide you while you are uploading the data. But if you take from this location finder, you may not get any problem. Now second thing is about the gender. So gender may be male and female, category may be OBC, general, SC, ST, age must be number only. Now if you go to format, you will find all this option. It was like what are the categories, what are gender, what are machinery, irrigation type, livestock, everything. Spelling you can find it here, so please copy and paste from the format only. Apart from this, while we okay, we'll go to validation. Yes, this bank detail are non-compulsory thing. If you have, you can provide. If you don't have, then leave it. Now about the farm detail, so one farm detail is compulsory here. So total area, plot number maybe 123, area or organic, kachra number, ownership. Lat long is something non-compulsory. Then field crop always must be yes. So this is the detail what you need to provide. Apart from these, PGS asking some of the more details which we'll discuss now. That livestock, it may be cow, buffalo, goat, sheep, anything you can provide here, and quantity here. If any farmer having multiple animals, it's like cow and buffalo both they have, then you can provide like this. So this is the format how you can provide. Now irrigation, maybe irrigation or rainfed. Machinery, regarding machinery, how it was, there are option like grinder, mixer, dal and rice, but there is one more option, other. You should not provide the other means, suppose if you want to write a tractor, then write here tractor. What our bot will do is, I'll tell you in the PGS itself. While making this data entry, suppose if you select other, means here, machinery. Suppose if you select the other, means it will select other and write something whatever provided in the input. So you should not write other. What you need to write here is tractor or something. If your option is not any of this, simply write tractor, so that will select the other and fill the tractor. So after this, these are the go down and capacities. Compost, yes, there are three columns: compost, processing and other facilities. Here we mention yes, yes and yes. It means if you want to provide that detail, then you can write something here. What bot will do in case of compost, bot will come here, he will find for the compost, he will select by default no if you don't provide anything in the input. But you provide anything, it means it will select yes and it will fill here. So this is the option. Likewise, if you any other facilities, so there is any other facilities. Now if you provide any other something, if you provide here, so it means bot will consider that you want to make it yes and you want to fill the detail. If you don't provide and make it blank, it will by default click on the no. So this is the way how we handle it. Then processing also like that, but here we are asking few more plots because there is a possibilities on the PGS how it was here. If you enter one and then press add, then 2 3, you can add more number of plots, right? So how it can be handled, after completion of these details, we'll asking this plot number 2 detail, then plot number 3 detail. So likewise you can fill the plot details. So all this plot detail will be filled during the data entry itself. So this is something how you need to fill the details, and then you can upload the data. Now once you copy and paste everything into this data tab, you need to upload it. There is a possibility of even you make a mistake. So if there is a mistake, both our tool will guide you how it was, that we'll see now. Suppose if you are trying to upload some data, now we'll see the positive scenario how it was. You need to how you can upload. Simple, come here, come to the upload file, select the group, id will come automatically, click on the choose file and choose the file from the location. Suppose this is the file, I am uploading it. Select the respective website NF for India and upload. Once you upload, this file is uploaded. It doesn't mean it will process, you just upload it. Now what you need to do, come here into in progress and approve from here. Once you approve, then only that file will be processed. Now there is a scenario, you may get the approve button, you may not get the approve button. If you make some mistake, you may not get the approve button. In that case, you need to click this badge. I'll create that case so we can easily understand. First of all, I have one more file with some errors. Now what are the error? All the validation we seen, right? I made some of the intense mistakes intensely. We can see this. I didn't provide a farmer name, I didn't provide serial number, I didn't provide father name, pin code. So these are the things I didn't provide it. So these are the total mistake one can make during the data entry 173. So that we are going to upload now. So while we upload this thing, it will upload it, but this time we will not get the approve button, so it cannot be sent to the process. Now see, this approve button is not here and we are saying 107 is input error. So how we can understand which are those 107 error? Simply click on the batch id. So you can see this first one is customer wait, means there is no error, but from here there is error. And which is the error? Serial number not provided. Second error, father name not provided. Third error, uh, sorry, farmer not provided here, father name not provided here, pin code must be 6 digit, state required, district required. So likewise here what we are trying to do, we create all possible errors. So while you are uploading data, if you make all these problems, it will not allow you to approve. So what our intention here is, whenever you have such mistake, before approving you rectify all the problem, then only you approve it. So in the single shot your data will be processed. Now you understand about the error handling. I'm going to delete it and I'm going to re-upload one more time. So if you have errors, you can see this data, download into Excel, rectify those problem and upload like this one more time. Now you get the approve button. So once you get the approve button, you have a approve button, your duty is just to approve it. Once you approve, then you can shut down your system. There is no need of doing anything, because once you approve, the data will come to server and server will process the data. Here how you may have idea once the data is completed, you can see the real time. This 101 will process. Suppose if 5 record process, it will move here. You can open the batch and you can see this status also. From customer wait to, it will convert into success. So you may have idea, but you even need not to check it. Simply upload, approve and shut down your system. We will send a mail when your data process is completed. The mail was like this is the mail. How it was that mail is from our side, that business name, IC group name, and then ID, process name, total number of record, what is the batch ID, how many success, how many error. Even you can download the report from here. But the same thing you can see from here also. The thing is, once you approve, it will run by us, and after completion it will move to the completed section. So still now we don't have any data, so it's not showing anything here. But when it is completed, this is in progress. Once it is completed, it will come to the completed section. So this is the way how we handle this farmer entry. What about if we say about the time, maximum 1 minute per record we can process. But the good part is, suppose if you have 40 or 100 groups, you can upload 100 group at a time. That we will run simultaneously and will send it to you. So no need to wait for completion of one and then you need to upload the second one. This is not required. You can upload all the file together. Even if you upload 20,000 or 25,000 data in a single day, we will process on the same day. So this is the speed and accuracy what we can give it to you. Now about the counting and all. So how it was, suppose if you have 190 count here, because earlier it was 300, Now you have one batch which is about to approve, which is 1110. So that out of this 300, 1110 will be deleted and your count will be 1110 is deleted, so your count will be 190. Likewise, whenever you approve, your count will be reducing. The thing is, it doesn't mean that you approve, so if it's error and we are going to deduct your count. No. Suppose if you upload 1110 record and 10 is error. So when we release from our side and once this batch is moved to the completed section, the removed the error count will be added to your balance. So after release from our side, if there is 10 error, your account will become 200. So likewise, we are only going to charge for those record which are successful. So you need not to pay for any of the record which are in error. Even we are struggle a lot to find those error message and giving a meaningful error, but will not charge anything. We'll charge only for the success records. So this you should understand that only if it is success, then your account will be reduced. So this is all about the farmer entry what we are doing. But if you are using the demo account and if you are facing any problem, please feel free to contact us on our contact details. Our contact number is 94038929221, and you can press the extension 2, so that my team will guide you that they will take your remote connection with any desk or ultra viewer. So and they will guide you what is the problem you are facing. You just need to give a remote connection and your problem will be sorted out. We are working 365 days and 24 into 7. You can call anytime. So this is all about the farmer entry. Please feel free to contact us anytime and we would love to help you. Thank you.